Hello everyone, welcome back to Click Excel. Are you facing an issue with the VLOOKUP showing errors or wrong results? In this video, I will show you how to fix VLOOKUP not working issue in Excel. So without further delay, let's begin. First problem may be the wrong match type. As you know, in the VLOOKUP formula, there is an option true or false. So most of the people forget this to use the false option for the exact match and true option for the approximate match. I'll show you how it will work. This is the example Excel sheet. Here I'm going to look up the value for this Adam Campbell patient. Here it is, and I'll fetch the Adam Campbell details of patient ID, date of birth side using the VLOOKUP. So first we can fetch the patient ID using VLOOKUP. Type the formula, first VLOOKUP, open bracket. We are looking for Adam Campbell. Select, this is the comma. We need to select the table of array from 1 to 7. Next, we are looking for patient ID. This is in the column 2. So type the column index and number as 2. Next one is true or false. Means we are looking for the approximate match or exact match. Patient ID is the unique number. So we are looking for exact match. So false. You can write either false or just enter 0. 0 for false, 1 for true, and close the bracket and hit the enter. See, it fetch the patient ID from the table. Right? If you enter the true instead of 0, if you enter the 1, means what will happen? See, result will not come. So by entering the wrong match type, VLOOKUP will not give the result. So make sure you entering the correct match type for the VLOOKUP formula. Next problem is lookup value not in the first column. VLOOKUP only works if your lookup value is in the first column. See, this is the lookup value, Adam Campbell. It's in the first column. If this lookup value will be another column, VLOOKUP will not work. I'll show you. Add one column. Our column name as serial number. Okay. Now our lookup value is in the second column. So try to enter the formula. Here on the I'll enter. So we are looking for the Adam Campbell, and lookup value is from patient name to age. Column range is, now this patient ID column came to the third column. So enter the number 3 and the false 0. Close the bracket. See, it's not showing any result, giving the error. So make sure your lookup value should be in the first column. Okay. Then next one is, while entering the lookup formula, maybe hidden spaces or extra spaces may be added. That can break the VLOOKUP formula. So make sure while entering the formula, you didn't given any extra space or hidden space. Okay. That is the third issue. Fourth issue is the data type mismatch. Your lookup number may be stored as text. In that case, it will not match and gives the error, means date of birth. This is date of birth is in date format. You are entering the lookup value for number, but that number is stored as text. That case, the VLOOKUP won't match and it gives the error. So in that case, you just change that cell format to the number and type the formula again. These are the 4 major issues for VLOOKUP not giving the result. If you are using the newer Excel, switch to the XLOOKUP. It's more powerful. I hope now your VLOOKUP will work perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Click Excel for more Excel fixes. Thank you for watching.